Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily log out of Facebook Messenger application and other devices. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let's get into this topic. So, open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Next, in the top left corner, click on the three bars. And then on the gear. After that, scroll down to the very bottom in the settings. You can find the Meta Account Center here. You will need to go to it. And then select Password and Security. And here select where you logged in. Next is your Facebook page. Because Facebook Messenger is linked specifically to Facebook. And here you'll be able to see all the devices that you previously logged into your Messenger from other devices. And in order to log out of them, you'll need to click here. Next, check All. And at the bottom, select Log Out. If you want to log out of Messenger only from the stroke of a particular device, then select only one device and also click Log Out. But you will always be from at least one device in Facebook Messenger until you delete it. And that's the device you're logged in from at the moment. It's not deleted. So that's how you can easily log out of Facebook Messenger, folks. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.